There we go. Alright, here we go. So, I will be painting the table. I got some chalk paint. I'm painting it white because it goes with everything better. I'm going to be painting the table white. And I'm going to show you guys like the little things that I've gotten from like updates that I've done to my home and everything. So let's get into it. Ow, my ankle. So let's get into it, and we will be cleaning off the table first. So let's do that. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to say that this project was actually a lot harder than I thought it would have been. I was having issues with the chalk paint, and you might be able to see that later on in this video. Right now I'm just cleaning it. Apparently I didn't clean it properly, even though I cleaned everything, because the chalk paint was cracking. But that could also be because I don't know what I'm doing and I thinned it out too much. Who knows, but here we go, moving the table a bit, just cleaning off these legs because everything is going to be painted white. So I had to mix up the chalk paint. This stuff is really heavy, like it's really heavy. I don't know how else to explain this. Like, it has a lot in it. But here I am with the chalk paint brush. This thing was hard for me to use. Like I said, I had to thin it out. Once I thinned it out to the consistency that I'm used to, which is acrylic paint, it went on a lot easier. But also at the same time, I was just kind of like, well, I could have just painted it with acrylic paint. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But it was a fun experience, and I really do hope to paint more furniture like this. Because this project was for me, I really didn't particularly care too much about if it would have looked bad. It came out amazing. I'm just saying, if it looked bad, I wouldn't have cared. But I did notice that it had a lot of weeping around certain areas, and weeping is when like the stain or the oils in the wood comes through. I noticed that happened in certain places, but that is okay for me. I already know how to fix it. The way you would fix it is you would get some shellac. You would spray the shellac on, let it dry, spray it on 2 more times, 2 coats or whatever, and then go over chalk paint it again. But this is fine for me. Legs of this project, and like I said, at some point I watered down the chalk paint too much, and it was a mess. You can see over on the right side I spilled a lot of paint, but you could just scrape it off. It'll be fine. I can't get it out the grout lines, but we'll handle that when the time comes for me to handle that. perfect? No, but I really like this, and I still need to paint that, the leaf that goes in here. I wonder if I need to separate this, but all of that will come in due time. It looks really good. It goes very well with it goes very well with my entire home. And then I gotta paint the chairs at some point, but because I don't know how to use chalk paint very well, I'm almost out of chalk paint, and I'm pretty sure a 16 ounce would have been enough to cover this table and the chairs. But what do I know? I definitely don't know anything. So let's get this covered with wax. I put the wax on. Sorry, I put the wax on the tabletop off camera, and now I'm going to be taking my gold adhesive, foil adhesive, and I'm going to be putting it like on this area and right in between that little notch right there. And then eventually I'll put it like in between these notches as well, but I just want to do it like on the outline right now. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'll probably do that off camera as well. As you can see right here, I actually went out and got some gold foil paint. I put the wax on and I put the gold foil on, but it wasn't giving me the desired look like it did with the couch whenever I did this project. So I just went out and I got some gold paint, like I said, and this gave me the result that I was looking for. It looks so good. I'm so in love with it. It just, it's just everything. Okay, cool. Now I'm recording. So this is, cut this light on. Okay, here is the table, the completed table with this cute little tablecloth I got. But look at that. Aha, it's so good. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I put this tablecloth on it just to, give it texture or whatever. And then I have it, a little staged, but not like a full tablescape because I don't have enough to do tablescapes, and my husband will just be like, oh well, I can't put stuff on the table if there's your stuff on the table. But this is it. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. I love it so much. So then, like what I was telling you all, I was going to show you like updates that I've done and things that I plan to do at some point. So right here is the entryway with the chandelier. I put these up. I got all of these from the thrift store besides the candles and the little crystals or whatever. That was $6, I think. These two things were $2 each, and then I got that, which was $3. So my plan for here is to put up a textured wallpaper, and I will probably insert a picture of the wallpaper that I want, like right here or something. Who knows what I'm gonna do whenever I edit, but it's gonna go around here to right there. A little anime figure, a little Toho anime figure. But that's gonna be white more than likely, and then I'll probably like maybe spray paint this white and gold. Like maybe like I'll spray paint where the shoes are sitting at white, and then I'll spray paint or I'll paint the legs gold, and that'll be the entryway. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looked before. And then I might spray paint that too. And then that's my little cardboard for when I spray paint projects. I might spray paint that too. I might spray paint it white, who knows. But that's my little update for the entryway area. I think that's all that I have for you for this video. But yes, I think that's all that I have for this video, this week's video. And you all decide to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next